Okay, right now we're going to talk about different levels in Unreal. In Unreal software, level is one of the useful and important parts. We can say that this part can control the level of your design and modeling. By this, we mean that for each section, you can consider some different elements and assets, and a level can be a part of your design, or it can be the whole and main design or model. For sure, you have seen this in video games. Different levels can be possible. When you win a level, you can go for the next. When you win second level, you will go for third. And each of these are a level, and they can be separated and individual to be able to control some different elements and items easily. And here also in architectural design and modeling in Unreal, we have the same process like video games. You can consider each level as a dish, and according to your needs, your design, you can have some different objects, elements, and items in this dish. For example, in some big and heavy projects, you might have landscape or plants in a separate level, and then another level for the structure, the building, and the furnitures, or some other details like characters or the details of the landscape, lights, car, in another level. And when you need, you can see all of them at the same time. It's like layering in AutoCAD. But here in Unreal, it's like this. The format of these levels is UMap or Unreal Map. This is the format of each files. To have these levels, most of the times they create a folder and then they name it maps, which this folder contains the different levels, or it can be level, for example, but most of the time maps. Then in this folder, right click, and here we can select level, or file, here new level. And another way is Control N. No difference, all of them are the same. Then you'll face with this window, file, new level, then this window. After that, Control N, then this window. But here, right click and level, you can have a level directly. Its name is New World. I delete it, then here, new level. Here in this window, you have 4 templates. First item here is Open World. When you select this, you can have a wide surface here, and it has some settings as defaults. For example, some basements, the sun, something is possible here. Next item here is empty, just an empty world. Next item is basic, which here in basic, everything is minimal and smaller than others. You have a flow, you have some base, the light, atmosphere, and some settings about light. And the last one is the same with basic, but there's no any setting about the light and these basic things. And in most of the projects, maybe you want to have different levels in this file. You can have your current level, for example, this or this one here. You can have a duplicate here like this, and then here in this file you can delete some objects which are here, and you can control them here. I delete this for now. I will tell you about this technique later, but for now here, new level, and I select this, create. And then I can have it like this. Let me close this window, word partition. Then here, save. It asks for the path. I select this and a name. For example, here, test map. And then I can save this.